Welcome to English with Leanne. Today's phrasal verb is to throw in, and we have 4 definitions. Our first definition of to throw in is to add to something that's already started. This could be in a conversation, but it could be all sorts of things. If you remember my video for to hold back, at the end, I threw in some background music to the video. I'll make sure to link that one below. But you might be cooking and you might taste your stew and think, I need to throw in some more paprika. Then it'll taste better. So that's to add. Another definition of to throw in is to join. This one's a little tricky, but you might say, think about who you're throwing in with. Are you sure you can trust them? Now, personally for this, I would probably just use join, but throw in will be used that way, so that's a good one to know as well. One of the other definitions for this is to add for free. So you might go shopping and the salesperson says, if you buy a new mattress today, we will throw in 2 pillows for free. And they're going to give you 2 pillows, but you don't have to pay more. They're included for free. They're added for free. Our last definition of to throw in is a sports definition. Go ahead and think of soccer. And when a ball goes out of bounds, a player needs to throw it in. And they need to do a throw in. So to throw in with soccer is going to mean to throw back into play, into the field. And the noun form of to throw in, a throw in, goes with this last definition, something that is thrown into play. Go ahead and take a quick look at our 4 definitions here on the side. And go ahead and try to use to throw in an example in the comments below. Good luck!